All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and drop all of these TVs that y'all see here. It might be a little shaky because it's windy out here, but I'm gonna get the footage for y'all, all right? Sorry?
What do you do with this?
Right here where I'm at.
No, but what do you do with it? You fix it, the TV? No.
No. I just don't fix TVs. I transport all day. They reach here, it's either gonna turn into money. I have 100 of them, these solid pieces of metal.
Oh my God. There's people that open it.
And they take out the rest.
Take it
Well, you
out.
know what? I have a guy pay me $5 a TV. And I come back and I can pick up the scraps from them. Because they know what they want. You know what I mean? Or some dudes are parts. But they want the gold or the platinum, whatever they can find in there. I don't know.
Oh, I think if you bring it here, we're not going to take it. It's only plastic. Then we have a problem with the cells, they do deduction.
Yeah, well, that's why they shred it for me. I bring like 2,000 pounds and they do like 1,200 pounds. I'm like, damn. But, you know, it's better, something better than nothing. I just put them in my storage, let them build up, get enough, bring them over. Alright, y'all, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. JJN Transport. Yeah! Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Let's get y'all on board. Let's get up here. Let me hold this properly now. Ugh. Whole bunch of work today. Let's see what it weighs. 1,400 pounds. Sweet. All right. Gracias. Respect. Anyway, we're gonna get up out of here. I got 1,400 pounds worth of TVs. Y'all see me unload them all. I'm gonna try to do something cool with the video. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you. I want to say thank you y'all for liking these videos, commenting on my videos, and subscribing and staying tuned to everything I got going on. This is your boy JJN Transport, John. Woo, I'm tired. It's John from JJN Transport. Y'all have a good day, evening, morning, night, whenever y'all watching this. One love.